Hey, my name is Jorge. I'm from Miami, Florida. I had the FUE treatment here. This is my second treatment. I had previously one in the United States. It came out well in the United States, but it was extremely expensive, so I decided to come down to Turkey. I found Dr. Caymaz through the Real Self forums and through recommendations from a friend. They're very efficient as far as getting a quote and accurate as to how many grafts they can transplant. In my case, he didn't think he was going to be able to do more than 4,000, but he managed to do 4,900, and that was without taking anything from my beard area, which I thought was going to need. The process is very efficient. You arrive at the airport, Emir is there to pick you up. You don't have to think about anything. Your hotel is set up. They bring you to the hospital, and that same day they'll take your blood, and you go down on the chair, and it starts, and 10 to 11 hours later, you're done. I can say that the process is extremely well planned and very efficient, and pretty much you can be brain dead. You don't have to worry about anything. So I recommend it.